3-piece mixing bowl set. These nesting mixing bowls include 3 different sizes for a variety of cooking and baking needs. Small bowl holds 1.2 quarts, medium bowl holds 1.9 quarts, and large bowl holds 3.6 quarts. Food safe and non-toxic. These 3 white plastic bowls are made of BPA-free, food-safe material. Mixing bowls are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and safe for use in the freezer. Embedded pour spouts. Each bowl is designed with a pour spout on one end and a lid on the other end for easy handling. Perfect for trained chefs, bakers and beginners alike, these bowls make it easy to mix, stir and pour batters or sauces. Nested mixing bowls. When not in use, just nest the 3 bowls together for easy storage and organization. The nesting design provides a space-saving convenience to free up extra room in the cupboard for other kitchen tools. Non-slip and non-sticky. Base is designed with a silicone bottom to keep each bowl from skidding or slipping during mixing. Ingredients won't stick to the non-stick surface, making lengthy mixing less tiring. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and compact. I'm loving these mixing bowls. They are very sturdy and fit perfect in a smaller kitchen. They don't take up lots of space. I had a 2.5 quarts KitchenAid bowl, and it stacks beautifully with these bowls. I've been looking for good mixing bowl set for a while. After trying 5 different ones, including KitchenAid and Target, these Glad bowls are definitely the winner. Most of the other ones I tried were too big for me, and some very flimsy. Thank you, Glad.